my goodness. Oh! Oh. Oh. That's right. The more. Oh. Okay. Moko-chan, Saturday, how is that doing? Sneezy.
Drawing room with a cup of tea. The relic pieces lay spread across the table.
Oh. What feels? What should we do? Why not? Should we buy it? Bless you. Thank you. Here. This. Hit it with your hand. Oh. It's a different sound. That's a different sound. Different kind of. Yeah. Okay. Bless you. It made me sneezy. Moko-chan, you're gonna sneeze. We made it! Fans over here. We were down here, yeah. Something. I don't know what you want to do. Intro distracting, especially the last song. You're mine. Distracting, Moko-chan. I've never played this before. No, it's
Let's go!
It's
important.
Oh, okay. So in research, if you click research, there's different 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you doing there? Does it have like a water pot number there? 5. It's 3 o'clock. Bless you. Let me test it. Bless you.
プレゼントを持っていかないと危ないよね。
It was really no food. Last part. Clean up. Yeah, that was Moko. It looks very scary. Get up. What? Yeah.
Lore exposition.
Bless you. Scaring me. That's like the second time you jump scared me just running in front.
So technically speaking, since I've already purified 2, we have 4.
Bless you.
Yeah, usually if I'm too determined to continue the dream, I can't continue it. But if I'm not trying and I just go back to bed.
Bless you.
What?
Like that. Okay, she's in the room that I don't. Bless you. Okay, so red one we haven't done yet, so we have to do this one. Bless you. You're still a good girl. We do want to push ourselves, but I think we should probably take a little. We should push ourselves to take a.
Okay, you guys can go in even if it's daytime.
Yeah, we're holding one.
I want to take my call.
Grab on!
What? What is happening?
Rescue!
Ah,
Wow! Say,
The one who gave us a lot of stuff in that one game.
Bless you!
Maybe.
強いくしゃみがチャームポイントです。Things and it'll be all tiny. No, it'll be funny. Two, I don't think I can do it too. Okay. What is with you today?
Bless you.
Bless you. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. Oh, this is maybe our friends. Ah, that's right.